What's up, Paid to Play community? Today we're going to go over Gaia, a brand new game. It's launching on the C2Fi platform as well. But today we're going to go over the team. We're going to look at the Play2Earn mechanics. We're going to talk about Gaia token and the GPP token that they got as their layer 2 token on Polygon. And we're going to talk about where we can actually mint some of these Gaia. All right, quick, I just wanted to take you to the trailer because the trailer is absolutely beautiful, and we're gonna see a little bit of gameplay here real quick.
Gaia, a strange world full of mysteries, beautiful landscapes.
This game's running on Unreal Engine too, so this could actually be actual gameplay. But trailers, I kind
deepest abyss of the ocean, Gaia has been recently discovered by the Empire, which instantly made it a place of exile for the Emperor's political opponents, rebels, and those who favored him not. Having to survive,
so it's like a mixture of Clash of Clans and Pokemon, they say.
The exiles have used their resourcefulness to create new colonies and strongholds, turning Gaia into their new homeland. But as the exiles progressed, so did their ambition for more land and power. Thus, war started among all the exiles. As the years passed, the exiles became more powerful by harvesting the rich resources of the land and by breeding great armies of Gaia.
Ooh, breeding.
War creatures of Gaia Everworld. The Emperor decided to claim Gaia and all its resources as his own by sending his large army to conquer it. A new era of conquest has begun. Will the exiles continue?
Yeah, these are your characters and then your little minion you got.
Or will they unite to defeat their mutual enemy, the Empire? This is an age of war.
That's what we're looking at. Gaia. They're gonna have a marketplace, and it's sort of very similar to Axie, because when we hop over to this medium real quick, and I'm gonna show you that the Gaia is an ERC20 token that used on the marketplace. Then if we scroll down a little bit, you got the GGP, Gaia Growth Potion. That sounds very familiar to Axie, but Axie works, their ecosystem works, so if they can get this game using the Axie ecosystem, there's nothing really wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. So they got the Gaia Growth Potion as an ERC20 token of the Gaia Everworld. It will utilize a layer 2 sidechain to allow faster transactions, and that sidechain is Polygon. We're gonna come back to this, but I wanted to go over more of the website here and talk about that they're going to have breeding. The breeding is where you're going to need the Gaia token and GGP. And it also talks about GGH. So there's going to be a few factors in here, a few different tokens that you're going to want to look into. All right, next we're going to talk about this map here. The map's going to be massive. And it's going to be a 3D world that we're going to be walking around in because it's running on Unreal Engine. And here's some of the actual in-game gameplay that I found on their Twitter. So we're going to be able to run around the map with, you know, characters like that in the world of Gaia. I mean Gaia. I keep calling it Gaia. Yeah, just it does look pretty epic, though. I'm not even gonna lie. This is the graphics are beautiful. And why they're so good too is because of the team. Okay. All right. So when I looked at this team, I looked into some of these people and found that the devs are already a part of a gaming studio, and a lot of these devs are in the DeFi space already building. So if you want to look into the team, you know, here it is. You just come to their website and look into the team. I looked into the team. I looked at some LinkedIn profiles and found pretty reputable stuff here. All right, we're going to continue with the map though. So the map, we're going to be able to run around and discover stuff. And with the Gina that you can mint, which we'll talk about real quick here, I don't believe you're going to need a Gina in order to play the game. I believe it's going to be free to play. But here are some of the characters and factions. So we got the warrior, and it's Gina would be like the forest one. You got the sorcerer, a fire Gina, nice. Got a pirate. This guy looks hilarious though. You got an intellectual Gina, kind of contrary to a pirate, but and the ice queen, ice Gina, makes sense. Awesome stuff. Here you can see it's Unity 3D, Unreal Engine, and Polygon. Big stuff right there. And this looks just like Clash of Clans. So they're mixing it somehow. They're mixing it with Clash of Clans and Unreal gameplay. So they got massive partners, massive partners. This looks like it's going to be a good one. So hop in the Discord, Telegram, follow them wherever you can follow them. We're going to hop back into the tokenomics because that's what I'm interested in, is the play to earn mechanics. Players can purchase their Gaia Warriors, and the necessary land required to participate in the Gaia Everworld Metaverse. So there, you're going to need land and Gaia Warriors to participate. Now, I'm still not sure if it's free to play or not. Can't find anything that says if it's free to play or not. The governance rights include the ability to vote on proposals. That's always good. We got staking as well. There's a total supply of Gaia. Here we got some of the numbers for the breakdown. I like when a game is very transparent like this. So this is how players will be able to win battles against other players and earn this token, their GGP token. And the tokenomics designed for community growth. I believe they're looking at, you know, they studied Axie because that's how it works. It's working, and I believe this is what they're doing because it's very similar. The marketplace looks very similar. You got a breed. It's just very similar. And there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. So if we hop over to the Gaia Elite Club and you can go to mint a Gaia, you see that 2,000 out of 10,000 guys have been minted. Or you can head over to the OpenSea collection and you can get a slightly discounted Gaia. I guess there's stats on these, but we don't know them. That's all up to you guys to find out. I just wanted to bring this information to you and show you that they got some good stuff going here. It looks like it's going to be a good game to keep an eye on. I feel like with the amount of hype it has around it, it should have minted a lot more characters. I feel like it should have sold out. Maybe the prices are too high or something's going on. All right, guys, make sure you keep an eye on this Gaia world. All right, it could very much blow up here, but I want you guys to do your own research. This is just what I found. I found, you know, the only red flag I'm seeing here is that it didn't sell out. There's plenty of followers, plenty of hype around it. There's not many 3D Unreal Engine games coming out. I feel like with the announcement of this on the Cetify platform too as well, that it should have, all the Gaia should have been minted ASAP. That's what happens, and it didn't happen. So I'm just a little confused about that. That's all it is. And maybe I'm missing something. If you guys could maybe let me know why all the Gaia haven't been minted yet, that'd be great. Because that's the only thing I'm very confused about. Other than that, this looks very promising. It looks beautiful. The white paper's coming soon. That's why we didn't look at it. Maybe that has something to do with it. But I'm really looking forward to seeing the progression of this. As for me, myself, I don't think I'm going to be getting any right now. I want to see more about gameplay and if it's free to play, I just need a little bit more. But right now, if you want to take an early step into this and get yourself one of these, it could triple in value. Never know. You guys might find something that I don't know, but I just wanted to bring this to your attention.